Hi, I'm Dr. Tanya Altmann, mother and pediatrician with over 10 years experience in child development. I know that keeping your baby safe is your #1 priority. Well, let me tell you about a few things you can do to help keep your infant safe while sleeping. SIDS, or sudden infant death syndrome, is the unexplained death of an infant under 1 year of age. SIDS is the leading cause of death for babies 1 month to 1 year of age and claims the lives of nearly 2,500 babies every year. In addition, there are also up to 2,500 sudden unexpected infant deaths caused by suffocation or accidents during sleep each year. Most SIDS deaths happen between 2 and 4 months of age, with 90% happening before 6 months of age. While the exact cause of SIDS is unknown, what is known is that many of these infant deaths are related to unsafe sleep practices. Thankfully, you can take action to keep your infant safe while sleeping. Remember these 5 key steps to help reduce your infant's risk for SIDS or suffocation. Make sure your crib is safe. This includes a firm, tight-fitting mattress and tight-fitting sheet. You should be able to place only 2 fingers in between the mattress and sides of the crib to ensure it is tight-fitting. Remove all soft bedding and toys from your baby's sleep area. This includes loose blankets, bumpers, and positioners. The American Academy of Pediatrics suggests using a wearable blanket as a safer sleep alternative. Place baby to sleep on his or her back at nap time and at nighttime. Since the American Academy of Pediatrics and the National Institute of Child Health and Development made this recommendation through its Back to Sleep campaign, the number of SIDS deaths has decreased by 50%. Offer a pacifier at bedtime to babies who are more than 1 month old after breastfeeding has been established. It is not necessary to put the pacifier back in your baby's mouth if it falls out. He or she will still be protected. Never attach a pacifier around your baby's neck or to clothing. After feeding, put your baby back to sleep in their separate safe sleep area. Room share with your baby, but don't bed share. Adult beds are not safe for sleeping babies. Feed and bond with your baby in bed, but when it's time to go to sleep, place your baby alongside your bed in his or her own separate sleeping space. This will make breastfeeding easier and help reduce the risk of SIDS, suffocation, and accidents during sleep. Remembering these 5 steps will help you make the appropriate changes to your nursery. When I talk to parents about safe sleep practices, they often ask me, how can I keep my infant safe and warm while sleeping? While loose blankets are not recommended, the American Academy of Pediatrics does recommend using a wearable blanket or sleep sack. A wearable blanket or sleep sack can reduce your infant's risk for suffocation, since it cannot bunch up around the face and interfere with breathing as a loose blanket can. As you prepare to bring your baby home, be sure everyone who takes care of your baby knows about these important safe sleep practices. This includes grandparents, aunts, uncles, child care providers, friends, babysitters, and everyone who cares for your baby. Wherever your baby sleeps, consider these safe sleep practices. Never place your baby to sleep on any soft surface. This includes adult beds, water beds, sofas, chairs, cushions, quilts, and other soft surfaces. Make sure your crib is sturdy and safe. It should have slats that aren't wider than 2 3/8 inch, or the diameter of a soda can. If the soda can fits in between, the baby crib is unsafe. Do not depend on baby monitors to reduce the risk of SIDS. If you're using a baby monitor for other reasons, do not store it in the crib or on the crib railing. Do not allow smoking around your baby. Do not let your baby overheat. Dress her in light sleep clothing such as a wearable blanket and keep the room temperature comfortable between 68 and 72 degrees. Provide tummy time when your baby is awake. Your baby will learn to lift her head and gain strength in the upper body muscles. Thank you for taking the time to learn about how you can decrease your infant's risk for sudden infant death syndrome. Safe sleep education is crucial in reducing the risk of this syndrome. To learn more about SIDS prevention and safe sleep education and the Halo SleepSack wearable blanket, visit halosleep.com.